In this video, I'll show you how to reset Google Chrome settings. The first thing to do is click on these three dots here at the top right corner. Now scroll down to settings, click on settings. On the settings page, right here in this left sidebar, scroll down and click on reset settings. Now click on this reset settings to their original defaults, and then now you have a pop-up window here, and I would advise that you read this to be sure you know what you're doing or you want to proceed with the process. Like it says here, it says this action will reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable extensions, delete cookies and other temporary site data. Bookmarks, history and saved password won't be affected. So if you want to proceed like myself, just click on reset settings, and that is it. Settings has been reset. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, consider subscribing, like and share as well. Thank you and see you in the next one.